Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
so
humble beginnings,
it's
man.
crazy.
It's
Yeah.
all worth it though. Now you've worked for well-known companies here in Silicon Valley as an art director and senior lead artist at companies like Disney, Konami Digital Entertainment, and others that I can't think of just off the top of my mind. How did you work your way up the ladder? And I ask that because there's people that are looking, to grow and learn in their career.
Wouldn't call it a ladder. It was more like the Disneyland teacup ride, which sucks because it almost makes me throw up, and a roller coaster put together.
Called a teacup.
Yeah, because you're just spinning in circles.
Mm,
I think with the way I worked my way up, as I just worked hard. And one of the things I did was I took a risk. I was going to junior college trying to get a degree in industrial design and graphic design, but I just couldn't sit in class. I mean, I did okay in my design classes.
mhm.
But the other classes, I was doing horrible. I was like, wow, I was just an extension of how bad I was doing in high school, except for design classes. My design teachers loved me. So I said, hey, I'm going to take some time off of school. I'm going to focus in on my artwork and just become an artist. And I had, and I think that's what built my way up, was always the spark of starting something and go, hey, I'd rather try than never than live my life with regret and never doing it.
Mm,
So I didn't know I was going to be able to do that. I was like,
yeah.
and I didn't have any other choice. So once I got into industry, I was very fortunate. I was connecting with different people. I was nice to one person. I worked for this small software company that just shut down. I was working part time with them, but I was friends with one person. And in my first job, I got to work on a video game. My first video game job was Magic the Gathering, and I learned how to do 3D animate and
Nice.
working on the job. So my school was life in general. And what I did was I just kept building my craft. And
I love that. So
yeah,
when
I just
you
kept,
when you said work hard, what does that mean? Because working hard might be different to me than it is to you.